Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and colleagues. It is our great pleasure to welcome you to our 6th International Symposium on Human Survivability. The theme of this year's conference is Bridging the Divide Between Science and Culture, the Role of Human Survivability Studies. I am Kaoru Sekiyama, a professor at GSAIS, Graduate School of Advanced Integrated Studies in Human Survivability, or Shishukan in Japanese. I will act as a moderator for today's opening session. Our aim of the symposium is to provide a fresh look at the global challenge facing humanity. More specifically, how to bridge the gap between science and culture for achieving the Sustainable Developmental Goals, SDGs, and as well as for dealing with the present and the future human threats to human survivability. In the opening session, we'll have opening speech by Professor Kaoru Takara from GSAIS and the keynote lecture by Dr. John Frawley from UNESCO. And I'd like to thank other guest speakers, Dr. Pierre Kay from GNRS, France, and Dr. Shunsaku Miyagi from Byodo-in Temple, Kyoto. And let us start the opening session of the symposium with opening speech by Professor Kaoru Takara, Doctor of Engineering and the Dean of our graduate school.